What's up, guys?
Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang vlog na ito upang
malaman natin kung ano ang magiging bunga ng higit na paggamit ng wikang Ingles sa kalakal at komersyo.
At ngayon, panoorin na natin.
arat na!
Hello, Miss Cinco.
Miss Pangas, do you need anything?
Are you busy tomorrow?
I have meeting early in the morning, but I'm free in afternoon. Why?
Can we meet at the coffee shop?
Sure, why?
I have something important to say. What time are you available?
I'm free in 12 p.m.
Okay, let's meet at 12 p.m. then.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Seiko's Coffee Shop.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Seiko's Coffee Shop.
Hello, Miss Pangas. Sorry, I'm late.
No, it's okay. You have a time. Let's take a seat.
Let's take order first. Yeah, sure. Waiter,
Good afternoon, ma'am. What's your order, ma'am?
can we order food and plate?
Okay, just wait.
So what is the purpose of this meeting?
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your order, ma'am.
We conducted a meeting yesterday with my co-business partner and we decided to collaborate with your company if it's okay to you.
Sure, no problem. Please give the details to Miss Secretary because I have emergency.
Sure, Miss Cinco.
I have to go by Miss Pangas.
Sure, bye.
Are you the Secretary of Miss Cinco?
Yes, I am.
So here's the details of proposal.
Oh, okay. I'll go now.
Well, ma'am, good morning.
Good morning. Did you bring all your garments?
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me about yourself and why should I hire you?
I'm Cedric T. Ampong, 25 years old, and I graduated at Harvard University. You should hire me because I am multitasker and I'm good at communicating with other company, and also I'm fluent in English.
Okay, I'll just call you if you hire me.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is all the list of the applicant.
Okay. Call Cedric Ampong and tell him that he's hired.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, who's this?
Hello, this is the secretary of Miss Cinco. I just want to inform you that you're hired.
Really, ma'am? When can I start?
You can start tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Ang magiging bunga ng higit na paggamit ng wikang Ingles sa kalakal at komersyo ay hindi ka mahihirapang makikipagkomunikasyon sa kumpanya ng ibang bansa dahil sa iyong pagiging mahasa sa pagsasalita ng wikang Ingles. At magiging mausbong ang inyong kumpanya dahil sa pagkakaisa ng inyong kumpanya at sa kumpanya ng ibang bansa.
Sa pag-a-apply ng serbisyo naman ay mas madali kang makuha ng kumpanya. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay mag-a-apply ng trabaho sa ibang bansa dahil sa iyong pagiging mahusay sa pagsasalita ng wikang Ingles. Sapagkat ang wikang Ingles ay mas formal itong pakinggan at gamitin.
Sana nuwaan ninyo ang vlog na ito.
At may nakuha kayong aral tungkol sa higit na paggamit ng wikang Ingles sa kalakal at komersyo.
Salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam!